In this video, we will talk about the governor apparatus. This is the governor apparatus which consists of the control panel which is having the digital display which will give you the reading of the RPM with respect to the time. It is having increase decrease button and the start stop button. And this is the PMDC motor, measuring scale, the pointer which will give you the reading of the lift. And this is the arrangement for the Hartnell governor which is having the nut, the spring, the frame, the balls, the sleeve, the additional weight and the collar. And these other various arrangements for the different governor are the Porter governor and the Powell governor and the Watt governor also. First of all, we have arranged the Hartnell governor, and which we will do this experiment with this use of the Hartnell governor. First of all, you have to open on this control panel from the back switch. After that, you have to select the time first. With using this increase button, you can increase the time for which you have to operate this apparatus. After setting this, you have to press the start button. Then for giving the RPM to the motor, you have to use this increase and decrease button. As you can see, I am increasing the RPM. As you can see, the apparatus is also start working. Due to the centrifugal force, the ball's weight is lifting. You have to wait for some time for the RPM to get stabilized. When the RPM gets stabilized, you can take the reading of the RPM and the lift from the scale. After for various other readings, you have to increase the RPM and take the reading of the lift from the scale. As you can see, it is not having the proper foundation, so that's why it is having vibration more. So please, before using it, you have to keep this apparatus vibration free by proper foundation of this apparatus. Now we will do the other governor arrangement on this apparatus. When the Hartnell governor experiment is over, you have to decrease this RPM, and when it is come to 0, press this stop button to stop this. After that, press this off switch. Then we are now arranging the other governor apparatus arrangements by removing this arrangement of the Hartnell governor by removing this bolt. Remove this nut and you have to lift the sleeve up slightly so that this arrangement, Hartnell arrangement, is easily removed. Remove the spring also. Now we are placing the Powell governor arrangement on this apparatus, and you have to fix this sleeve by removing this nut bolt like this. When you fixing the connecting up with this sleeve by tightening this bolt, use this bolt properly to tighten this arrangement on this apparatus. Make sure all the nuts are properly tight so that it will not cause any vibration. After that, do the same procedure. Give the RPM to this arrangement of the Powell governor. Select the time first. After selecting, press the start button and give the RPM. As you can see, I have given the RPM. The arrangement, the Powell governor arrangement is lifting, start lifting. Note the reading of the RPM and the lift from this scale. For the other reading, increase the RPM and take the reading of the lift from the scale. For stopping the off doing the experiment, you have to first decrease the RPM and then press the stop button. Now for the other arrangement of the watt governor, you have to again remove this nut and do the same step. The connecting rods of this watt governor should be placed by removing this nut, and it will do the experiment for the watt governor. And for the Porter governor, you have to again use this arrangement, and with this additional weight the Porter governor arrangement is done. And for other readings, you have to take the RPM reading and the sleeve reading for the calculation purpose. This is all about this governor apparatus.